Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add conditional logic field in Forminator form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Forminator plugin and we are going to add conditional logic field. Now on screen you see form and then you see different field and then you see if yes extra field show. If user select yes, then extra field show. If user select no, then extra field not show. Now you see we added two radio button yes or no. Now go to edit form and now we are going to add extra field. Now you see insert field, so click on it and then you see input, select and then scroll down, click on insert field. Now pop-up open and then you see label, so you can add text according to your requirement. So I added some text extra field for radio and then you see visibility, so click on it and then you see rules, show or hide. Now select show and then you see rules, so click on add rule. Now you see rules, so expand it and then you see name field. Now drop down select and then you see if yes extra field show radio. Now select and then you see condition required. Drop down select, you see is not. Now select is and then you see select option. Drop down select yes or no. Now select yes. So when person select yes in radio button, then this field show and then click on apply. Now you see field added. Now drag and drop here and then click on update. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page. Now you see radio button. If yes extra field show. Now select yes. Now you see extra field for radio button. If you select no, then field hide. So you can add visibility condition in any field according to your requirement. Now back to edit form. So this is our radio button and this is our extra field. Now open and then go to visibility and then you see rule. If you want, you can add multiple rules according to your requirement and then click on apply. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.